Hello guys, welcome to Numerical Point, in which we deal with the numericals to understand the concepts. This is OQD number 11, subject is fluid mechanics, chapter fluid statics, topic is fluid pressure, question number 3. The level of the question will remain medium. So before we start, just hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Let's get started. Question in front of us. The question reads like a 6-meter deep tank contains 4 meter of water and 2 meter of oil of relative density 0.88. Okay, determine the pressure at the bottom of the tank. Okay, so guys, this is the tank. Okay, this is the tank, and in the tank the above layer is oil and the below layer is water. So this is oil, and this is water. So the questioner asked at the pressure at the bottom of the tank. Okay, pressure at this layer. So in the last video we have discussed how to find out the pressure at a depth of h, but the problem in this question is there are two types of liquid in the above region. One is oil, which has a relative density 0.88, and one is water, which have relative density 1. So the direct formula for pressure, that is rho gh, that can be applied directly here. So in this type of problem where multiple fluid are in the above region, we need to do one conversion. We need to convert this liquid height into the same liquid height that is here. Okay, but the height will be changed. Okay, we just need to convert this layer of oil into water. Okay, so what will be the basis of conversion? The basis of conversion will be the pressure at this layer, at the interface will be same. Okay, on that basis we will replace this amount of oil, with water. Okay, with certain amount of water, so that the pressure at this layer, at this interface, will remain same. Okay, so guys, we have taken out, okay, this amount of oil to here. Okay, we have taken out this amount of oil to here. So we need to replace this oil, with this amount of water. So what will be the basis of replacement? That will be the pressure at this level. Okay, pressure at the below will remain same. So let's suppose this is 1 and this is 2. So we can say and this height is also given in the question, that is 2 meter. Okay, this is 2 meter. So we can write here this height is 2 meter. We have to find out the height of this water column. So let's suppose the height of this water column should be x. Okay, so and the diameter will remain same because the pipe we are not going to change, the container we are not going to change, the container remains the same, and the diameter of the container will be equal to the diameter of the column of both the liquids. Okay, so this is 2 meter, this is x meter. Okay, now let's equate the pressure at the bottom of them. So in the first case the pressure will be rho gh. Okay, rho will be for the first case 0.88 into 1000, this is the density, into g into h, that is 2 meter, will be equal to, here the relative density will be 1 into 1000, that is 1000 into g into x. Okay, from both of the side some terms are common, let's cancel out them. 1000 will go with 1000, g will go with g. So here we will have, okay, so here we will have x is equal to 2 into 0.88. Okay, and this is equal to 1.76 meter. Okay, so from here we can conclude that this amount of 2 meter of oil, okay, 2 meter of oil, this amount of oil, can be replaced by 1.76 amount of water. So in the equivalent tank, let's draw an equivalent tank. Okay, here I am drawing an equivalent tank. Okay, this is the equivalent tank, and the 4 meter of oil will just remain as that is already there from the beginning, and we have replaced this 2 meter of oil into 1.76 meter of water. Okay, this is 1.76. Now there is only one liquid above this bottom layer, so we can directly apply our rho gh. So what will be the total height of the water column? That will be 5.76 meter of water above this. So now we can directly apply our rho gh formula. So pressure will be at the bottom will be rho is of water. Okay, we have replaced with water. This is water. So water will be rho will be 1000 and G is 9.81. Okay, 9.81 into H is 5.76 meter of water. So we have to calculate this, and the answer will be 56,506 Pascal, which can also be written 56.506 kilopascal. Okay, so this is all about today's question. So what you have to do in the exam, you just have to do, okay, you just have to do this step. Okay, no need to draw anything or anything. You just need to convert this height into x by this formula, by this conversion, and just add this value, okay, to our basic height, that is this. Okay, you will get this value, then find the pressure. If there will be three liquid problem, then replace all the liquid by single liquid and find out the pressure. Okay, any number of liquid is above there, replace all of them by a single liquid by this formula, by this idea that the pressure that they will exert will be equal to the pressure of the considering liquid. Then you will get the equivalent height. Then by adding all the equivalent heights, you can find out the pressure. So this is all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.